Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GIS Cafe. I'm here with Paul Rutherford, Chief Technology Officer at Isilon Systems. Hello, Paul.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Paul, how's the show been going for you?
Show's going good as always. Always a good show for us. Real high quality participants. Yep.
That's great. And Paul, what are you showing at your booth?
Well, Isilon's a storage company, so we show scale-out NAS systems, which are used heavily in this industry because of the large amount of data that's needed and the large performance requirements as well. So that's what we're showing here this year. Have for the last about 6-7 years now, I believe. Yep.
And what is new at Isilon Systems?
The biggest changes recently are just the improvements in the density of storage, more storage per rack unit, for instance, some new high-performance systems that are moving data in the areas that used to be for SANs and now are in NAS, and then just continued improvements in the software.
Paul, how do you compete against EMC and network appliance?
So we are the young company in that mix with industry-changing technology called scale-out NAS. Which they also both have invested heavily in. So we compete with them on a regular basis, network appliance more often than EMC these days. And primarily as a leader in this architecture, they end up following us very often and trying to unthrone us in these sort of environments where big data is the biggest problem. Yeah.
And can you talk to us about some of the market segments that Isilon plays in?
Yep. So we play in segments that are driven by large data that changes very quickly, where the IT staffs maybe are limited, where simplicity is really important. So simplicity, low cost of ownership, and that would include the media and entertainment industry, surprisingly enough, which is very similar to this world here. Life sciences, genetic research, gene sequencing is a huge market because the amount of data that they have. Those are fun because they're life-changing for all of us. And then the other areas are oil and gas and high-performance computing, also big data areas. And then recently now with some new machines moving into business analytics, you know how many people bought this, click-throughs from the web. Web 2.0 is a big company, a big industry for us. Companies like Facebook, are heavily invested in Isilon. Yep.
That's great. And how can people find out more about Isilon?
www.isilon.com is a good place to go. We've got some blogs out there that we do as well if you just want to read what we're thinking, or local reps in the DC area for the federal space, and the rest of it you can get off the webpage.
That's great. Thanks a lot, Paul. Have a great show.
Great. Thank you very much.